Andantino. This is the easy one. We've already put so much hard work into Allegretto that now Andantino is going to be a piece of cake. But there are a couple things we can do to make it even easier. First thing is play Go Talent Roadie on the D string. Ready? Was it easy? Okay, let's play Perpetual Motion on D string as well, because then we'll be really expert at balancing our bow on D string. I'll swing around so that you can check all my fingers are on their tips, perpendicular to the string. Ready, play. So, okay, now we've warmed up that fourth finger, it knows exactly where the D string is. So playing Andantino is so simple. We can think going up, coming down, coming back down, going up, coming back down. It's a really good idea to sing all these pieces before you play them. So you ready? We'll just la 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 it. Ready? Go. La 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 dive da da dum da dum da 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 walking down the A to D string. Start again, da da dum da da dum da 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 dive da da dum da. Got it? Okay, great. Let's play the start. Get your second finger setting on the D string beautifully. Check that it's nice and curvy. Elbow scooped under so that the fingers can drop onto the D string. And let me hear your ready, go. Okay, let me hear. Ready, play. Good, ready, play. One more time, ready, play. Great, now stop your bow and take fourth finger off. Now we can walk back down. How good was that stop? Let's do that again. Ready, play. Stop, take it off. Yes, again, ready, go. Stop, take 4 off. Put 2 on. Ooh. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, D. Again, second finger on, ready, play. Take 4 off. Put 2 on. Oh, sneak the 1 back on. Great! We just played the whole first phrase. My turn. Yeah, let's go a little slower together. Ready, play. Take it off. Put it down. Good. Now, The next part is the climbing right up part. 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3. Like this. So I'm really just thinking about my fingers stepping up. Play 2. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Good. Listen to mine again. Again. Ready, go. Good. Make sure you get an open A in there. Don't play your 4th finger. Because we're crossing to the A string anyway, it's easier to play open A in this spot. Ready, play. Good. Let's play from the very beginning. 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. We're playing 4 here so it all stays on the D string. It's important. Ready, go. Put 2 on, ready to start the next idea. How did it go? I'll give you a listening turn, okay? Just stop and listen. Okie dokie. A little slower together. Ready, play. Set 2. A. Walk down. Ooh, start again. Set 2. 1, 2, 3. Hop over to the D string with your 3rd finger. Oh, changed. How annoying. Let's play just that little part. 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, hop. 3, 2, 1, D. Ready, play. Hop. Oh, I was concentrating so much on hopping that I hopped past my D string. That's annoying. Let's do it again for me. Ready, play. Hop. Great. Now, what I should show you is that my whole arm actually hops. Watch my elbow down here, okay? When I play, hop, my elbow moves a lot as well. It's actually my elbow that sets my fingers up. I don't do a reach with my fingers because then I would have horrible flat fingers doing this kind of stuff. Instead, I kind of scoop my elbow through and that tips my fingers over a string. Alrighty, let's play from the beginning. First 2 lines, we've got half the piece already. My turn, listening turn, I'll play at tempo and then we'll play slowly together. Okay, more moderate. Let's go together. Ready, play. 2, 1. A. 2, 1. 2, 1. Hop. Wow, that was awesome. The next bit is borrowing lots of our twinkle notes. You know, twinkle, twinkle, little star? Let's just play that together, okay? Best twinkle, nice, straight, strong bows. Introduction. Ready, play. down the strings like we do in Twinkle. This is easy. Okay, first finger on E string. Ready, go. Ready, go. That's easy. Let's add the next note on. Listen to mine. That's a third finger. It's going to ring because mine's really, really beautifully in tune. Ready, go. Oh, now as a reward for playing that one so nicely, you get to play an open A next. Ready, play. Good again. Ready, play. Ah, okay, the next part's just a little climb up the string. We're showing off how fast we can jump up. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Great, go again. Go again. One more time. Just for luck. Now you get a reward for doing that so nicely. Oh, it's an A, another bonus A. Great. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Great. Let's stick the two bits together. 1, 1, 3, A. 1, 2, 3, A. Ready, go. Woo! Ready again? Go. 3, A. 1, 2, 3, A. Now that A is great because it lets us think about the next part, which is walking down the A to D string. 4, 3, 2, 1, A, 3, 2, 1. That sounds really easy. Let's just play that part. Get your fourth finger ready. Ready, play. 3. Oh, it's just like coming down the stairs. 4, 3, 2, 1, A, 3, 2, 1. Or we could look at the notes on the stave if you want to look at them in your book. E, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E. And you can even play them backwards because that's fun too. Hang on. Oh yeah, okay, so backwards will be playing. Simple. Don't forget that 4 on top, that's like the icing on the cake. Let's go backwards now. Oh, that's how it happens in the piece. Coming down the stairs so slowly. Whatever words you want to sing. I don't get attached to one particular set of words, but I often borrow them to just complement the idea of what's happening in the music. So let's stick the two bits together. 1, 1, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, A. Get the 4 ready. Walking down the A to D string. Let's go. Set 4 on. Good news, you know the next part already. Listen to me. Hop. Oh, it was really easy. Let's play it once all the way through. I will play a bit slower than the CD goes, but you've been listening to the CD so much and you can sing this so well that I'm sure you can keep up with me. And if you can't, that's okay. Just have a listening turn. I'll play the introduction. Hop. Ready? Get your second finger on. Two. Get 2 on. Get 2 on. Hop. 1 on E. walking up. Ha. Well done. And don't forget, keep practicing your allegretto, because we know that's like the evil twin.